Good evening, Africa. Good evening to all of our partners cut across Africa. It's always exciting to get on these calls on Monday evening, just to be able to provide some support from the business development corner to the field to continue to help you in your vision to build, to impact lives, in your vision to be able to bless humanity, in your vision to use um, our products to be able to help your community. Or maybe it is just to provide some financial liberation to people around you, or maybe it is to provide them with optimum health. All of that, we provide you every Monday with the tools to help you achieve that dream, whatever that dream may be. My name is Blessing Edetubano. I'm Head Business Development for Africa, and I have on the call with me my colleague. Neil, are you frozen? Okay. While Neil is struggling to respond, we will just get right into the training for today. Before now, we're talking about the exciting in-person event that happened in Johannesburg in South Africa this last Saturday. Amazing feedback. It just filled me with so much joy to hear about the connections and the opportunities for learning, the opportunities to be able to network, and to know that you're part of a bigger community than the one that you exist in. You know, you might be just in Bloemfontein or somewhere else in South Africa, in Cape Town, and it's just your team, but there is more to your community than just your team. And this in-person events like this provide that opportunity. I'm happy that everyone, had an awesome time, and we're looking forward to amazing results from those connections, right? I don't know if any of the partner council member will just quickly give us, share with us your feelings from that before we carry on with our call for today.
Yeah, Blessing, it's as you said, there's nothing like live events, when you've got people in front of you. And I mean, we had guests there. They were super, super excited. We had five signups, which is good. And the partners that were at the event were just as excited, Our end result was what we wanted.
Hey, Patty.
Um,
I'm doing lovely. How you doing? Good morning.
We're just missing Dapper with his microphone not off. But yeah, so we enjoyed it. We got what we wanted. 2025 is going to be a big year for us here in South Africa. We have our plan mapped out. We have the vision. We know what we want. We know what we're going to do. And our goal for 2025 for Africa is to have our very own PXP. And we all know to have a PXP, you've got to bring home the results. And that is what we're going to do.
Thank you so much, Nick Papers, our partner council member right there in South Africa, sharing with us some feedback from the recently held in-person event on Saturday. Now, I know we've heard from the partner council member. How about we hear from one brand partner out there in the field? Boitamelo, would you like to share with us your feelings? I know you traveled there. Boitamelo, are you on the phone?
I don't know if you can be able to hear.
We can hear you.
Okay, because I always have a problem listening. Speaking with the mic on the laptop because I connected on the laptop. It was really incredible again, always to meet the people that you see on the screens, on the Facebooks, and be able to hug them and talk to them, even talking to new brand partners or even new prospects, and be getting excited again for what we have, and really again being excited about the type of products that we have. So it was really exciting. I connected with Lazelle, we traveled the bus together back to Cape Town. I got off with Kimberly, then they had to go straight through to Cape Town. So that was nice. We were prospecting on the bus, we were prospecting on the Bolt. It was like a rejuvenation. I prospected again. I got some Nigerian prospects. So, Blessing, I'll be connecting with you soon to help me out. So I'm just excited. Like it was just a rejuvenation of what the company really is all about. And as Dumi had said, that we are sitting on gold. So it really kind of got us excited, and events really do change your perspective when it comes to the company. Us meeting on Zooms, and yes, it builds, it gets us there, but the events really builds the momentum again and reopens up that excitement again in us. So yeah, so it was really good.
Thank you so much, Bartolomeo, for sharing that feedback. You know, I've gotten an amazing feedback. I keep getting today. From Saturday, I had so many of you called me, and I was like, wow, 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 wow. So I'm super excited. I wasn't there, but I can feel all of the energy, and I'm excited at what the future holds for our brand partners in South Africa. Thank you, our partner council member, for sharing, and Bartolomeo for sharing from your perspective. Leo, we were sharing some feedback from the amazing in-person event from last Saturday before we lost you there. Okay, Neil, we'll just go right into the training for today. I see you're struggling with the connection. All right, so let's go into the training for today. Very important to us as we continue to build our market. All right. Today we want to talk about the back office. The back office is a super, super important resource and tool as you become a brand partner and even a preferred customer with Partnerco. In order for you to build your organization as a brand partner, you need to have a good understanding of the back office, which is where you navigate to be able to place your order and do so many things that pertains to your business with Partnerco. Today, we'll just take the part one. The back office training is quite an extensive one, but today we will just look at the part one and see where we can cover as far as the back office is concerned. Now, I'd also like to mention that we're doing a lot of upgrades and that these upgrades are in different phases for different markets. Some markets have already gotten their upgrade as far as enrollment and other upgrades that IT is working on. Ours has been scheduled for another phase. We will let the market know once that is done, and we would have our head of IT who would come to share those upgrades with us so that we can better understand this tool called the back office. Now today, let's look at when you log on to your back office, how do you get into your back office, all right? How do you log into your back office? Now, BPs can log into their back office from the Partnerco website. What do you need to be able to log into your back office? You need credentials such as your ID and password. So if you're registered with Partnerco, there are two credentials you should have, your ID and your password. Your ID is your brand partner ID, all right? It's your brand partner ID, unique to you. You should have your ID and your password. I see a lot of persons who tell me they are brand partners and don't know their ID. My upline did it for me, and you didn't bother to ask. You've left your upline to all of the work for you. No. Now, if you want to be a brand partner with Partnerco, you need to put in the work and you need to understand the tools and resources that you are using to build your business. And the back office is one of that. All right, so once you get to our website, you can log in with these credentials, your ID and your password. Once you log in, you can start shopping for yourself or for your customers, but you must make sure that you select the market that you're shopping in. Now you have to do that by selecting the correct flag. You would always find it at the top right hand corner. Select the correct flag. If you're in Nigeria, select the correct flag. If you're in South Africa, select the correct flag. Or Namibia, select the correct flag. Now, that would help you to be able to access your back office. Now, once you get into your back office, one of the first things that you're going to see is your dashboard. Okay, give me a minute there. Allow me to share again. Okay, let me know if you see my screen. Awesome.
We can see it.
Thank you. So one of the first things you would see would be your dashboard. Now, what does your dashboard give you? Your dashboard gives you an overview of the activity and the quick link to specific topics, such as your ID. You will find it right there at the top left-hand corner, your business level, your title, current title, and any other achievements that you have accumulated with Partnerco. You will also see your waiting room. Now, the waiting room allows you to place brand partners that have been enrolled by default within 48 hours. Now, after 48 hours, if you do not place those brand partners where you want them to, it is only compliance that can do the placement. And that must be done within 10 days. And that 10 days includes the 48 hours. So 48 hours plus 8 days, all right? That will give you the total 10 days. Now, you would also see your commissions and payouts. You can quickly view your weekly, your monthly, or yearly by clicking on the 3 dots, all right? Now, you will see that those 3 dots hide your figures. Now, you can click on them to view, or you can go to commission summary to view your commissions and payouts. Your organization tree, it is your brand partner within your organization. You can have a quick link to the volume reports. You would find the little wheel next to the tree right here. All right, the little wheel right next to the tree is a quick link to detailed volume. If you want to see detailed volume, you click right there on the little wheel next to the tree. Okay. Another thing to look out for is news. You find it right there. News such as promotions, opportunity window, you'll find them right there. You can read all about partner news right there. Then once you go below that, you'll see your title advancement bar. It will tell you your current title and what is needed to reach the next title within a specific week. So look right here, you will see that this person is currently a member or rep, which means they have not even reached the first title. And the first title is team lead. He will tell them that they need this total number of earnings to be able to reach the team lead. You find out that for team lead is just your live time earnings that is required for the next title, just your lifetime earnings. You will see that for this, it doesn't show you volume. All right, it doesn't show you volume. It simply shows you your lifetime earnings, because to reach the team lead, it is just the lifetime earnings that is the requirement. You would also find your business level tracker. Your business level tracker. And the days you have left. This is for new brand partners that get 4 weeks to reach their desired business level. All right. So if you're a new brand partner and you log into your back office, simply go to your dashboard and scroll down. You'll see your business level tracker. It will tell you the total number of days left for you to be able to reach the ultimate business level. And of course, the ultimate business level is the desired business level that every business building brand partner should be. So it will tell you if you're still within your 4 weeks. Now it will tell you the number of days required for you to reach that. Now, what happens if you have exceeded the first 4 weeks and you didn't reach the ultimate business level, like a lot of you have that challenge right now? Do not worry. As a company, we're interested in your growth and we're interested in you achieving success with us. We would always make available the opportunity window, which will give you an opportunity for you to be able to reach a desired business level if you meet the requirements during such a promotion. Your 4-week qualification circle is the next thing you will see right there on your dashboard. Now, with your qualifying week highlighted, that is the large circle you will see right here. That's your qualifying week highlighted right here. Now, this is as per your last qualification. And then it will show you right here the next qualifying date, start date. All right, so the next qualifying start date. Now, look at the screen carefully. Based on the 4-week rolling calendar, this brand partner was able to do their subscription in week 10. In week 10. And you see, in that week 10, it was purple. The color week for that week 10 was purple. Now, their minimum sales threshold is 200. All right. And they had a preferred customer volume that came into the organization. 341 point value came in from preferred customer volume. All right. And they had their own personal volume of 95. They are more than qualified. All right. And this is going to run for 4 weeks. So we start counting from that week 10. So week 10, week 11, week 12, week 13. That's 4 weeks. All right. By week 14, they need to renew their subscription. All right. So let's count it again because I know a lot of us have some challenge around here. So this brand partner did their qualifying week, week 10, which the color week for that period was purple right here. All right, this is the volume that they used to qualify, more than enough. All right, and so they start counting their qualification from that week where they did their subscription, which was week 10. Week 10, 2024, 10. That's how it shows. 2024, 10. The last 2 digits is the week. All right, so that week was week 10. We start counting for week 10, week 11, week 12, and then week 13, 4 weeks. By week 14, they would need to renew their subscription. And so it shows right here, next qualifying date starts at week 14. All right, week 14. So that way, if you are on auto delivery, you would always see this displayed right on your dashboard. He will show you your last subscription date, the color week, and the next qualifying week, and all of the information that you need. Now, you would have that information if you're on auto delivery, but because you're on auto delivery, you would need to do nothing. The subscription will run itself. So you would not need to crack your brain to count week 10, week 11, you would not need to do all of that counting. The subscription will simply run on its own. As long as you set up your subscription manager and impute a payment method there for it to automatically go off. That is the best and preferred way. Now, another thing it shows on your dashboard is the power of 4 tracker, which is to build your team and generate sales. As you come into the organization and you work with the power of 4, you're tracking your 4. You bring in your first 4, who you introduce the business and company to share your testimonies with them, and they join, and you teach that 4 to also bring in their 4. By that way, you can keep track of your power of 4 tracker right here. Now, the highlighted question mark gives you an explanation. If you have not utilized this tool before, simply go to your back office after this training, go and click on this highlighted question mark. You will see a detailed explanation of the power of 4 tracker and how important it is for you to build your team and generate sales for yourself. The next thing you will see on your dashboard is the savings bonus. The savings bonus is one of the ways that we pay out in Partnerco as far as our compensation is concerned. So clicking on the arrow, it will show you if you have already unlocked it or how much more is needed for you to be able to reach the $10,000 savings bonus. Now you can click on the wheel, the little wheel right there, and then it will give you payment history. You can navigate it by year or press run right here. You can press run right here to display the entry. You can display up from 10 to 100 entries for you to be able to see all of the ways you have earned and how you are accumulating your $10,000. If you have, cashed out before, your payout date in the past, you will see all of that information. Now, the subscription manager, which is one of the options in your back office, is for viewing, modifying, or creating a new subscription. Remember, we talked about auto delivery, how important your subscription manager is to your business. If you have joined the business, you have not set up your subscription manager, you need to do that. How are you going to be able to build your own transformation if you're not getting your favorite Partnerco product every 4 weeks to stay on your transformation? And of course, you can also retail some of these products as you get them and get your retail profit. Now, right there on the subscription, you can click on the edit button under edit order to modify the subscription. You would also find delete. This is for deleting the subscription when you are in a situation where you cannot continue your subscription, maybe due to funds or other reasons. All right, you can delete your subscription. The first edit button is to modify the name of the subscription. I know some persons have different name for their subscriptions, all right? And then this icon here is for you to view your subscription order. And that would include address, the price, and the point value in detail. Now, this is a report that I love so much. This is a report that is super, super important to partners, to brand partners as you build your organization. The striking distance report. This report provides insight into your organization's performance with real-time data points. The striking distance report provides insight into your organization's performance. What are your team members doing? What is happening? Who is coming into your organization? It provides all of this information with real-time data points. Now, this report helps to identify the next attainable title for brand partners in your downline, the requirement for them to be able to achieve it. You can use this data to help your team members make a push for their next title before the commission week closes by supporting their efforts to stimulate sales, new titles, or growth for a specific qualification week. So take, for instance, that you're that leader that is watching closely your striking distance report. You can better help your team members to be able to harness all of the available resources in Partnerco to reach the next title, to earn better, to achieve milestones, and to be able to experience some form of joy and happiness while partnering with us. Because as they achieve this milestone, you give them more reason to want to continue partnership with us. If you're a leader and there is a promotion running, you want to keep a close eye on this report. Since you cannot get a daily feedback from all your team members, how much volume they're putting in, you can simply go to this report and look and say, hey, this person is almost hitting ultimate, and you can give them a call. All the information you need is right there. Their phone numbers, their address, you can simply call them, reach out to them, and help them to be able to close in on the next title or to be able to earn better. Now, is this report just simply on the back office? Yes and no. It is on the back office, but you can copy this data. You can print it. You can export it as PDS file or as a PDF and have the opportunity to look at it closely offline and be able to support your team members. You can navigate by week, or you can click on right here, show all data to view more deeply, even up to 100 entries, or you can search maybe for a particular brand partner that you want to support. If you have so many entries, you can search right here. Over here, you can search, input their ID number or password and search for them, and their data will show and you can better support them. Now, when you tick show all data, you have a deeper view and more information like the business level, the goal status, the email, the phone number. You can click on the little plus sign at the right hand to have detail of volume figures regarding a specific brand partner. Right here at the far right hand corner, this little plus sign, you can click on it to be able to see more detail of the volumes that is related to a specific brand partner. The next thing you will see in your back office is my business. My business, yes. Now, my business, one of the tools in my business that you have is to help you manage your organization. Some documents to understand and to also develop your activities. Now, these are mostly team building activities. Team building activities such as enroll a new brand partner. Now, if you click on that, it takes you to this page. You can select yourself if you are the sponsor or another BP or brand partner if it is not you and it's someone else that you're enrolling for. All right. So if it's not yourself, you're just using your back office to enroll for someone else, please select a different brand partner and continue with the enrollment. So you do not need to log into every of your brand partners' back office to be able to sponsor a brand partner for them. You can do that, but you would need to select a different brand partner to continue. Another thing you will see under my business is the placement queue. This is a detailed view of the quick view I showed earlier on the dashboard, which is otherwise known as waiting room. Now, if you enroll a brand partner, they stay here for 48 hours, as mentioned earlier. After that, only compliance can place or move anyone within 10 days, including the 48 hours already mentioned. So you would count the 48 hours an additional 8 days. During that 10 days, only compliance can place or move anyone. You yourself can only make changes such as moving people to your desired spot in your organization within 48 hours. Under my business, you will see your tree view. Now here you can see all the brand partners in your organization. All the brand partners in your organization. You can view the lines that are occupied. the placement or sponsor tree, one or all income position, and income position within a certain amount of time, or there are income position no limit. So it might be for some time, you can just view all brand partners within that specific period, or just click on no limit. It is recommended to display a maximum of 10 levels, as some organizations might be large. Yes, I've had to view some organizations that are super, super large. Now, it can only display a maximum of 10 levels. If you need to search for more brand partners above these 10 levels, all you need to do is that you would need to search them right there. All right, you can search them over here and click on run right here. Impute their name or their ID number. So you can over a name to see basic details. All right, over a name like this, you can over it, and you can click on the name. You have an even deeper overview of the brand partner's volume and the activity. When the name is with a green dot in the tree, it simply means that the brand partner is qualified. And with a gray dot, the brand partner is not qualified. If you need to search for additional brand partners, you go right there at the right-hand corner, impute their name, you click on using the name, and then you run. He will show you where in the tree, no matter how deep that is, as long as you've imputed the correct name or brand partner ID, it will show you where they are on the tree. So take note that when you view your organization using the tree view, when the name is with a green dot, the brand partner is qualified. And with a gray dot, the brand partner is not qualified. I've had occasions where brand partners keep reaching out to say, hey, I keep seeing this, my team members in gray dots, they should be on the green dots. And so with that information, they are able to alert corporate when there is something wrong, maybe with the placing the order, or probably the order didn't go. And so that way we would know in time, so that you don't lose a certain volume that should come to you, or maybe commissions, as the case may be. So you can click on the different tabs to have different information about your team members. Another thing you would find in the document library is in my business section is document library. Now the content might be different, as some specific documents are specific to some countries. But the basic things you would find in the document library are things like policy, terms and conditions, legal documents, the price list, webinar, the compensation plan, compliance updates, and so much more that you need to know, information that you need to know. You can also find our one-pager about products that it would help you in your prospecting, as Boitomela mentioned that she was prospecting in the boss. So you'll find the one-pagers about products that can quickly help you whilst you're prospecting. Now, under My Money, you will find another section. This section is to help you manage your money, manage your e-wallet, set up your commission payment, check your volume, and then send documents. The Partnerco Lifestyle Rewards, you will find that in My Money. This is an extra reward for being a brand partner with Partnerco. It's an extra reward for your team building activities. We've gone through the lifestyle rewards and how you accumulate your lifestyle credits. All right, so when you do your usual team building activities, you're accumulating lifestyle credits. And you can find that if you click on My Lifestyle Credits or Lifestyle Rewards, it will take you to this page right here. And this page will show you your lifestyle credits and how you can be able to access those lifestyle credits. So when you go right here, by clicking on terms and conditions, you can have a better understanding of each aspect of the lifestyle reward. Whether it's give it, win it, dream it, you would be able to understand those aspects of the lifestyle rewards. Another aspect is the commission summary. Very important under my money. Now, as you make effort to understand other aspects of my money, please understand the commission summary. Because if you understand your commission summary, you would understand a breakdown of what you're being paid for, what activities earn you this amount, and that will further motivate you. And that would help you too to be able to duplicate, to teach your team members. Now, the commission summary report provides a weekly commission statement. It's like your bank statement, all of your transactions. You would find it right there in the commission summary. It is your commission statement. You can also find information on your historical earnings. No matter how far back they are, you can find that information on commissions, bonuses, and incentives. You can search them by date range. You can also access your yearly statement at the bottom of the report for analysis and tax reporting purposes. Some countries might only have weekly summary to display. Others might have more choices such as monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The commission summary, weekly commission can be displayed if there was a transfer sent to a brand partner, provided that that account is active. After selecting the range, then you will see the different figures. Double click on the total for a particular week to see the recap in detail. Another thing you find under my money is your volume. Your volume is your money. In this section, you will see the volume of your organization within a specific week, such as the power line and the pay line with the estimated income. It is only the pay line that will show you the estimated income. You can search for lines or income position or navigate between weeks. And when picking show front line brand partners, the frontline brand partners will show you your first generation brand partner name. Now, this information you can print. You can copy this data, you can export it as a PDF or a CVS file for your personal copy or for your personal storage. Another one is the Partnerco pay. Now, the Partnerco pay is something that you should understand as a brand partner. This is how you manage, how you receive your commissions. I've seen instances where people call, I'm not getting my commissions. And when we go check, most times it's because you selected the e-wallet and you haven't imputed maybe your direct deposit account. All right. So it helps you to be able to manage how you receive your commission, either through e-wallet, direct deposit, or iPayout. All you need to do is click right here. Click on the plus sign to see more detail. So you go to My Money, and then you click on the plus sign under Partnerco Pay to see more detail. This section also can help you to accept the terms and conditions. You can enter your demographics or view your social security number, or if you're in Nigeria, you can view your name, which is important to all of the brand partners that are entitled to commission. Now, this display that you see right here might vary depending on the country. This is a general overview of training for the back office. Now, in your Partnerco Pay, you can distribute your commission however you like, up unto a total of 100%. You can distribute a percentage to e-wallet, maybe 40, to your direct deposit, 60%. However you want to distribute it, you must ensure that you distribute it up to a total of 100%. If not, the information would not be correct. Now, the e-wallet in theory is one of Partnerco's pay options. It is available for all brand partners. If a brand partner does not want to be paid to their bank account, they have the option to get their commissions on the e-wallet, meaning that their commission remains on the account. Once their commissions are paid to their e-wallet, what can they do with it? You can transfer it to another brand partner. You can withdraw this money into your own private bank account. So if your commissions have been paid to your e-wallet for a certain period and you've accumulated it, some partners tell me they want to accumulate it for a while they are building their business and using it to prospect. All right, so they build their commissions showing in their e-wallet for maybe to a certain level. Now, after you want to withdraw that, you can simply go and withdraw it to your private bank account. So if you go this week, for instance, to withdraw it, today is Monday, you would be able to receive this on Friday when we pay out. But if you go to transfer from e-wallet to your bank account later than Monday, and then Tuesday we run already commissions, then your payment will be the following week because commissions have run already. All right. Or you just want to use or reuse that money in your e-wallet to purchase more products from us, that's amazing. But one thing you need to do if you're running the e-wallet, you need to create and remember a PIN to use for your e-wallet. So if your money is in the e-wallet and you've not created a PIN, you cannot withdraw such money. You would need to be able to create a PIN. You would need a PIN to even be able to transfer to another brand partner. All right, so there are two balance types in the e-wallet. The two balance types that you have there is credit and cash out. Now, what is the credit balance type? It is goodwill gestures that you have received from the company compensation, transfer from another BP. This money cannot be withdrawn or cash out. These are credit, all right? But cash out balance type, these are commissions or a refund that has been paid into your e-wallet. You can cash out this money. Your commissions or refunds are the monies that you can cash out. You cannot cash out goodwill gestures from the company or transfer from another brand partner. You cannot cash out those credits, but you can use them for repurchase. So when brand partners click on Manage e-wallet, you are presented with 5 choices. Transaction history, transfer to a brand partner, convert, currency convert, cash out, or maybe you forgot your PIN. You can click on that to be able to change your PIN. All right. So if you have monies in another currency, you can click on currency convert and it will convert it to the currency where you want to be paid out. Another one you have right there in My Money, it's not available in all markets. It is the document uploader. Here, brand partners will upload documents necessary for account activation. And this will appear for us at the front end. It will appear in our Partnerco. And this is available, for example, in France. It's not available in all markets as mentioned, but it is available in other markets. Just so as you continue to build your organizations globally, and maybe you put in France market using the flag, and then you see this document uploader and you say, hey, it's not available in my market. Please note that it is not available in all markets. And so thank you for tonight. We've come to the end of our training, part 1 of the back office. When we get on the next call, we will continue part 2 of the back office presentation. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight for this back office. Remember that the back office is an important resource and tool as you build your Partnerco business. It is not a tool that only your upline should know about, and therefore you should be the only one accessing the back office. Every brand partner who is building with Partnerco should understand their back office. That is where you go to shop and place your order. That is where you enroll your brand partner. All of your team building activities ends up at your back office. And so you need to understand your back office. Thank you for joining us tonight on the back office training. We look forward to seeing you next time in the part 2, where we go to more in-depth aspects of the back office in the part 2 section. Thank you, Africa. Have an amazing evening. Always a pleasure to be on this call with you.
Thank you, Blessing.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you, Blessing.
So much value, very eye-opening. Thank you.
Thank you, Blessing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daphne. Thank you, everyone.